It's another cold but beautiful weekend here in the Pacific Northwest, and you know we can't let that go to waste. Tonight's mission, hot tent camping in the wilderness. But we didn't just come out here to enjoy the view. We brought along a new piece of gear that might completely change how we spend our nights at camp. So stick around, because you're going to want to see this setup. The days are getting longer and we're already counting down the days until summer. It's the final stretch of winter. And while we've got plenty of great adventures planned for the warmer months ahead, we're trying to enjoy as many nights in the hot tent as possible before we switch back to the rooftop tent. Today we've got the perfect camp spot for tonight's mission. It's remote, sheltered, and even has a stream running right through it, which makes it the perfect setting for the surprise we've got planned later. Now normally, setting up camp takes a bit of time, but we might have a faster way. And just like that, camp is ready. Tonight we're set up in our Pomoly Chalet 70 hot tent, with the chairs, table, and fire reflector all in place and ready for the evening. I'm working on getting the bed set up, although judging by the slope of the ground, it looks like we might be sleeping on a bit of an angle tonight. But honestly, that's just part of camping, and I'm sure we'll sleep great either way. Dave gets the stove set up, and we can already tell tonight's going to be a cold one. One issue we sometimes run into with this stove is that a few embers tend to fall out when we open the door. We usually keep a welding blanket underneath to protect the ground, but this week we also picked up a baking sheet to help catch some of them. It should make cleanup a little easier. Before we settle in for the evening, we get the Starlink set up, since it's going to be an important part of what we've got planned for later tonight. Then it's time for a quick walk over to the stream. Having the sound of running water this close to camp is always a bonus, and it should make for a pretty great night's sleep. The one downside of this campsite is that it's pretty shaded. It might not look like it on camera, but it's actually right around 0 degrees here at camp. We've been holding off on starting the fire as long as we could, but at this point we can't wait any longer. And since tonight's dinner will be cooked over the fire, it's probably a good idea to get it going now and let it burn down to some nice coals. Now it's time for what we've all been waiting for, unveiling the newest addition to our campsite. We've actually had this for a while and have been wanting to test it out, but the tricky part was figuring out a good way to pack it and bring it out to camp. But today's the day we finally make it happen. Inside the secret box, we've got everything we need for our campsite cinema: a portable projector, an Amazon Fire Stick, plus all the cables and remotes to make it work. If you're interested in putting together a setup like this for your own camping trips, we've linked the gear we're using down in the description, and using those links helps support the channel. We're powering the whole setup with our Blue Eddy power bank, which has enough juice to keep both the Starlink and the projector running for a few movies. We were a little worried about how the battery would handle the cold, but after watching an entire movie and running the Starlink, It only used about 30% of the battery, which honestly wasn't bad at all. It took a little bit of time to get the Amazon Fire Stick and projector set up. In hindsight, we probably should have done a bit of that beforehand, but before long, we were ready to start the movie. We connected the projector to our Bluetooth speaker, and honestly, everything worked even better than we were hoping. We spend a lot of our weekends out here in the woods, and being able to sit by the fire and watch a movie under the stars felt pretty special. Now you might be wondering, how could a night like this possibly get any better? Well, our answer was pretty simple. Why not cook some steaks over the campfire? If you've watched any of our other hot tenting videos, you've probably seen our campfire grill stand before. It's one of our favorite ways to cook out here, and it definitely adds to the whole camp atmosphere. To keep things clean tonight, we're going to cook everything in a cast iron pan. Nothing too fancy, just some steaks, corn, and asparagus. Cooking over the fire always looks incredible on camera. It's hard to watch this footage and not start craving a meal like this. Every time we re-watch it, it just gets us even more excited to start planning the next trip. Sitting by the fire, under the stars, with a steak in hand and a movie playing on the big screen. It's a pretty unique experience, and it's definitely one we won't be forgetting anytime soon. Bonus points if you can guess the movie in the comments. As much as we'd love to stay out here a little longer, it's getting really cold, and the hot tent is calling our name. So it's time to get the stove going, warm things up, and start winding down for the night. It's going to be a cold one, but if we can keep the tent somewhere around 20 degrees, it should make for a really comfortable sleep. We've stayed up a bit past our usual bedtime, so tonight it's straight into the tent and off to sleep. Good morning, everyone. We're up early this morning. The sun is starting to rise a little earlier now, and we're hoping it warms things up a bit. But until then, coffee will have to do. We ended up having a great night's sleep listening to the creek. And actually, we tried something a little different. We filmed the creek for a full hour straight. So if you're looking for some relaxing background noise and visuals, make sure to check that out. It's already up on the channel. We're also planning to film more videos like that going forward, whether it's rivers or campfires, and putting together a dedicated playlist for them. The sun is just starting to rise over the mountains, so we're taking things slow as we pack up this morning. I'm working on the tent while Dave takes care of the stove, and it's a good reminder, If you're getting into hot tent camping, it's worth taking the time each trip to maintain your stove. Clean out the pipes, sweep out the stove, and make sure everything's still in good shape. That's going to do it for this trip, and if you enjoyed this one, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you love the outdoors and don't want to miss out what we do next. And if you've got any movie suggestions for our new projector, drop them in the comments. Since you're still here, why not check out one of these videos? Thanks for watching.